If you're upgrading your golf cart, trolling motor, or marine setup and tired of dealing with heavy lead-acid batteries, this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Today we're reviewing the DC House upgraded 36V 100Ah Lithium golf cart battery. It features a built-in switch, 200A BMS, Bluetooth connectivity, LCD monitor, peak current of 670A, and includes a 36V 25A charger. But is this LiFePO4 battery powerful and reliable enough for real-world use? Let's break it down. Right out of the box, this battery feels solid and premium. It's much lighter than traditional lead-acid batteries, which is one of the biggest advantages of switching to lithium. The casing is durable and designed for marine and outdoor use. The built-in power switch is a convenient feature, allowing you to safely disconnect power without extra hardware. This is a 36V, 100Ah LiFePO4 battery, which delivers consistent voltage output throughout its discharge cycle. Unlike lead-acid batteries that lose performance as they drain, lithium maintains steady power. That means stronger performance for golf carts and more consistent thrust for trolling motors. With a peak current of 670A, it can handle demanding startup loads without struggling. The built-in 200A battery management system, or BMS, is a major highlight. It protects against overcharging, over-discharging, overheating, and short circuits. This not only increases safety but also extends battery lifespan. For anyone using this in marine or outdoor environments, that protection is critical. One of the coolest features is the Bluetooth connectivity. You can monitor battery status directly from your smartphone. You'll be able to see voltage, charge levels, and performance data in real time. On top of that, the included LCD monitor gives you instant visual feedback without needing your phone. It's a modern upgrade that makes battery management much easier. The package includes a 36V 25A charger designed specifically for this battery. That means optimized charging and faster recharge times compared to many standard chargers. Lithium batteries also charge more efficiently and don't require the same maintenance as lead-acid systems. For marine users, this battery is a strong option. It's ideal for trolling motors thanks to its steady voltage output and high discharge capability. The lighter weight also improves boat balance and efficiency. Compared to multiple lead-acid batteries wired together, this single lithium unit simplifies the setup. In golf carts, switching to lithium typically means better acceleration consistency and longer runtime. Since lithium batteries don't suffer from voltage sag like lead-acid, you get steady performance until the battery is nearly depleted. That translates to a smoother ride and more usable power. Overall, the DC House 36V 100Ah Lithium golf cart battery is a powerful and feature-packed upgrade for golf carts, trolling motors, and marine setups. With smart monitoring, strong protection systems, and consistent performance, it offers a modern alternative to outdated lead-acid batteries. If you're ready to upgrade to lithium for better performance and convenience, this battery is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you're powering with this battery.